Hi. Juju is already going to the mountain and we are already passing in the forest. Juju is waiting if we can see an elephant. Yes, maybe we can see an elephant in the road, crossing in the road. No, you'll just say hi, elephant.
And why did you want elephant?
No, Juju, the elephant will just give a blessing. Like that.
Did you give her money?
How Juju will give her money?
Did you give her money?
Yes.
Did you give her money? Like in the temple.
Like in the temple, Juju give her money. That's their mountain. And then this is a preserve area, the government. Namaskara, mabuhay. We are an Indian-Filipino couple living in Philippines, but currently having a vacation in India. For this video, I will bring you to the lush dense rainforests of Palakkad in Kerala, India. This is an explored hills, but a must-visit place. This is the Nellyampati. The Nellyampati Hills is located at about 52 kilometers from Palakkad district. It is around 2 hours travel from my husband's place in Palakkad. That is why we decided to leave the house by 7 a.m. and arrive in the location by 9 a.m. to avoid difficulties in the road and crowd of people. However, may mga dumating na mga kaibigan ng asawa ko at may naghatid din ng in-order namin na furniture kaya ang 7 a.m. it happened to be 10 a.m. Dali-dali kami umalis ng bahay nang sila'y umuwi na. Dahil ang weather din noon ay parang gloomy or para siyang uulan kaya ayaw namin na maulanan kami doon sa area.
Oh God.
That is a dam. Then
Potundi Dam.
Potundi Dam. Then there is a background of the mountain.
Playground, fire, rain, something like that. But it's
Then in front of us is also another mountain.
The fire tree,
We
Mama.
are in queue right now for checking. This is the entrance in the foot of the hills which you will pass by first. May entrance fee siya na parang around 25 rupees per head. They are also riders, motor riders, so they don't have any helmet, only the driver having a helmet. They are also going to the mountain. So they are plastic free here. They're not allowing any plastic. Helping out the entrance. The Nellyampati mountain is surrounded by an explored evergreen forest and high peaks. The terrain provides a good trekking trails. Nelly means a goddess worshipped in the region and Path means place. This is an ideal spot for ecotourism and romantic getaways. Upon going there, you will pass a big dam called the Potundi Dam. This is also one of the major water source in Palakkad. Maraming plantation dito sa Nellyampati, to mention the orange, tea, coffee, and other spices. Nellyampati often known as Foreman's Uti because of its wide plantation of tea. The road going to the Nellyampati mountain is very challenging because it is a hairpin-like bends which start right after the checkpost. Kaya makikita nyo sa video na parang shaky siya dahil every short distance there is a turn or there is a bend. It is a two-way lanes kaya your driving skills will be tested here. Kapag nahihilo kang bumiyahe, be ready talaga kasi nakakalula or nakakahilo ang pakurba-kurbang daan. But this can be avoided if mahina ang takbo ng sasakyan. Sa aming case, we targeted na dumating sa area in 2 hours kaya hindi namin naiwasan na mahilo kahit si baby. Buti na lang at hindi siya sumuka habang nababiyahe. Better hindi masyadong busog habang bumiyahe para iwas sa suka na din. It is best to keep the speed at 40 to 50 km per hour to enjoy the scenery of the forest. According to them, the area is part of an elephant path and is also frequented by leopards. Kung maswerte ka, you can see an animal crossing. Nung pumunta kami, wala kaming nakita unfortunately, pero may mga monkeys in the side of the road. Maraming pwedeng puntahan dito sa Niliampati. Itong Virgin Hills na pupuntahan namin, tea plantation, meron ding wildlife sanctuary, viewpoints, then may mga villages sila, yung Potandi Reservoir, and then there is a spice-scented state. The best time to visit the place is on September to May because it is summer, not too hot, and is favorable for traveling. Hindi safe during monsoon season starting June. Also, if it is rainy season, you cannot enjoy the outdoor activities in the area. After an hour of travel, you can pass in a view deck where you can take a good picture of the tall mountain and the overlooking of the Putandi Dam. You can also do some stretching after an hour hairpin road travel. Marami na ring tao in the view deck when we reach there, kaya dito na lang kami sa gilid, which is makikita naman ang magandang view ng mountain at saka ng Potandi Dam. Hi, we are already in the mountainside and the water is very busy and that's the mountain. Ang tubig na nakikita sa gilid ng bundok ay hindi galing sa waterfalls. Ito ay mga nakolektang tubig ulan at bumuhos lamang sa gilid ng bundok. Hindi ito pwede inumin dahil na din sa pesticides na nanggaling sa mga plantation sa taas ng bundok. Malalaman mong malapit ka na sa tuktok ng bundok if madaanan mo yung maliit na village ng Niliampati. Kapag wala kang dalang pagkain at nagugutom ka, mas mabuting kumain na lang muna dito bago pumunta sa taas ng bundok. Dahil limitado lang ang tindahan sa itaas ng bundok. Kami naman ay hindi na kumain doon dahil pinagbaunan kami ng mga pagkain ng mother-in-law ko. Sa oras na ito, malapit na kami sa tuktok ng bundok at makakadaan ka ng tea plantation. First time ko makakita ng tea plantation kaya namangha talaga ako na makita ito. Kaso medyo natagalan kami dito dahil sa kliit ng daan. Muntik pa kaming madisgrasya dahil sa gitgitan ng mga sasakyan at ng mga motor. Dito na part hindi ko masyadong nakita na organized dahil walang nagpa-facilitate from the government. Sariling sikap lang ng mga drivers para makalusot sa daan. Ito yung gustong iwasan ng asawa ko kaya gusto niya na sana maaga kaming pumunta dito. Dahil may mga drivers talaga na hindi nag-give way. Sunday kami pumunta dito kaya maraming tao at maraming nag-field trip na nakasakay sa mga bus na isa ito din ang nakakos ng pag-traffic sa area. Dito pala sa Niliampati, you can do an overnight stay para masulit talaga ang pagpunta mo dito at you can feel the scenic view as well as the weather. May mga resorts dito na nag-o-offer ng animal sightseeing sa gabi. Na-experience ito ng asawa ko kaya nirecommend niya na gagawin namin ito in our next vacation. Dito na nagsimula ang struggle namin na makadaan. Kahit kotse yung dinala namin na sasakyan, nahirapan pa rin kami. Yung magandang dalhin is yung Wego type na sasakyan dahil mas maliit siya kesa sa normal na kotse. Alam kong na-stress na dito ang asawa ko pero hindi lang niya pinapahalata sa akin. Gutom na rin kami sa mga oras na ito at we decided na doon na lang sa tuktok ng bundok kumain. Hindi nabibigyan ng justice ng phone ko ang ganda ng view ng tea plantation, but ang ganda talaga nito sa personal. Hindi kami masyadong nahirapan nang dumaan kami sa gilid nitong minibus. Yun pala ay may naghihintay na malaking bus sa unahan. Itong bus na ito ang nagpapahirap sa mga sasakyan na dumaan. Sa time na ito, they are trying na makadaan yung minibus sa gilid ng malaking bus. Ang nag-a-assist ay yung mga driver ng mga naunang sasakyan. Ang bus na ito ay loaded ng mga estudyante na nag-field trip at pababa na ng bundok.
The boy people.
She doesn't know how to ride, that's why she's scared actually.
Parang madali siyang tingnan pero nahirapan talaga ang asawa ko kung paano makalusot. Lalo na yung mga nagsisignal ay parang mga galit na mga tao. Pero ang importante ay nakalampas kami na safe. Hanggang dito na lang muna ang video na ito. May part 2 ito where we will be in the top of the mountain na. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye!